So good evening everyone, it's 8th of March 2024. We are back in Kote Beta. The sun has just set over there. I'll try and get a better shot. I've come here with the lab and looks like they have already found something. We'll check it out, what it is, if it is anything interesting. So here, we have come here basically to do some collection for Madura geckos, and oh, there's some selfie shot going on there. So here's the lab. Okay, people, say hi to the camera here. Hi. All right, I'll stop. You recording? Whoa, there it is.
It's lost its tail. Just put your hand on it.
Oh wow, sneaky fellow.
You got it, no?
I guess. No, I didn't.
No, it's
Oh, what? It's there.
Pick it up.
Do you see the
Hey,
mite?
this looks like Mysorensis, huh?
Yeah. There is only Mysore.
It's there, no? The red thing on the side.
Oh, yeah. Check out the landscape here. It's all been burnt, freshly burnt, in fact. Yeah, this is an unfortunate practice in these parts. Well, I guess much of India in the dry season, the local villagers burn the hillside so that you have fresh growth of grass. And only the path, there is no burning because there was no grass there. Everything around has all been burnt. Apparently they have found a bamboo pit viper. Where is it? Where are they? Shit, how did they manage to find it? Bamboo pit viper? How did you manage to find it? Oh, it's in the crevice.
Come here. There's a bamboo pit right here.
So this is yield.
You can see it.
Where?
Inside the crevice.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh, lovely.
Let's get it out.
Hey, no.
You can take a picture from here itself. I have my camera.
Oh, it's deep inside the... It's almost night. It's about 7. Just a little bit of light left. You can see the whole crew with their torches looking around for Hemidactylus geckos. On this side, the sun has already set. We'll stick around for a bit and call it a night.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
Will the
Can I
skin
also take a
recover?
photo?
Yeah. Okay, where do you keep this one?
I'm not sure this is Giganteus. Oh, the patterns, okay.
Yeah.
Juvenile, well, a baby Giganteus, I guess. But no.
There were
this one,
two
right?
of them and they were both on the rocks. So.
Feet are so sticky.
Yeah. Okay.
You want to let it?
Okay, gone. All right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just wanted this.
You have my toy?
Oh, it's too bright. It's better. That's enough.
Yeah. You have
Yeah.
and
This
the
is
big one.
Trutleri with those H marks, right?
Yes.
This is Trutleri.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it have mites?
What is the
Oh yeah,
identification?
there is one mite.
Yeah, there is a mite in there and also another one that Aarti showed.
Oh, there are lots of mites.
And show him the big Giganteus, no? Hey, what is that?
How do you ID this?
Lots of tubercles, and usually it has that H mark on its back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The one running down the.
Yeah, the back.
It's like a chain.
Very nice.
What's that?
It was identified from
Truth
Truth Lady. It was identified from Golconda.
If you look at
type locality.
This giganteus is infested with mites. There are mite pockets.
Oh, I can't see.
This is not a giganteus.
This is not. No, this
This
is
is
not.
this.
Yeah,
That's
the
what
same
I'm
thing.
telling you, that keep them both together. The big giganteus, the adult one that we caught. Where is
Yeah,
that?
that's. Check out the spider here. I don't know if it is visible.
Too big. Definitely
Ah.
not.
Big fellow.
It's a rock dwelling gecko. It will
nice.
move. It's trying to be camouflage.
There is its burrow.
Very not bothered about the light at all.
Check out the roosting Samo.
It's like gecko.
Amazing.
Geckoella, this will be which one?
In Bangalore we have two, right?
Really?
Geckoella troitleri.
No.
This is insane.
Hey, check for mites.
What is that thing that
Colegalensis, right?
Wasn't there one more though?
I think it's only Colegalensis.
I'm not holding it correctly.
It's
Okay, I got it.
You have one more, box. I don't think it has mites, but let's take it.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
check it
Let's
thoroughly
please
later.
take it.
Yeah, okay.
Just for the picture, if nothing else, and then we'll release it. Am I doing? Is this bad for its leg?
Just hold it near the head.
Yeah. That I got. Oh, it's so pretty.
I know.
Oops.
Okay, now where do I put this? No,
Beautiful.
They're coexisting peacefully.
they're not. Oh, yeah. Should I?
Pull down.